I have heard the stories about your fast trains. Now I'll tell you about one of the southern folks have sang. See the beauty of the Southland, listen to that whistle scream. It's that Pan American on her way to New Orleans. We leave Cincinnati, heading down that Dixie line. When she passes that Nashville tower, you can hear that whistle whine. Put your head right out the window and feel the southern breeze. You're on that Pan American on her way to New Orleans. Ohio and Kentucky, Tennessee and Alabama, you'll just take a Mississippi, she's New Orleans bound. All the things in the Southland, I know she is the queen, all the way from Cincinnati down to New Orleans. Cincinnati, heading down that Dixie line. When she passes that Nashville tower, you can hear that whistle whine. Put your head right out the window and feel the southern breeze. You're on that Pan American on her way to New Orleans. Ohio and Kentucky, Tennessee and Alabama, down the state of Mississippi, she's New Orleans bound. All the things in the Southland, I know she is the queen, all the way from Cincinnati down to New Orleans.
Oh, thank you so much. I want to thank you all for coming out here. Yes, I know you're going to enjoy yourself. The Bedford Grass is up here next. They got Tony, I think, playing with them. I didn't. Tony's around here somewhere. Got some real fiddle music for you tonight, along with banjos, guitars. I hadn't seen a mandolin yet, only in the Sounds of Grass. But anyhow, you got a lot of fine entertainment here for you this evening. Get yourself some food. Have yourself a good time. Doesn't cost you so much. That's what the Sounds of Grass are trying to do. Have a good time and to get together. And they're promoting the bluegrass too. They do a fine job. We'll be up on the 19th, I believe, in November at the Fire Hall. I think it'll cost you 17th. It costs you a few bucks to get in there, but still, you'll see a good evening of entertainment. Gal, can you entertain us a little bit here? All righty, you go right ahead. Just go ahead.